My name is Mario West, and I'm a higher education program advisor. And today I'm going to read to you Diary of a Fly by Doreen Cronin. June 7th. Tomorrow is the first day of school. I am so nervous. What if I'm the only one who eats regurgitated food? June 8th. Great news! Everyone eats regurgitated food. June 10th. Things they teach you in the flight class. We are in the most accomplished flyers on the planet. Our average speed is 4.5 miles per hour. Leap backward when taking off. Things they should teach you in a flight class. Always have a flight plan. June 12th. My parents left us with a babysitter last night. When they got home, 87 of us were stuck to a strip of flypaper. Mom says we were a lot easier to watch before we grew heads. June 14th. Today we practiced landing on moving targets. I am standing on her head right now. June 15th. My school picture came out terrible. Mom says next time I better have all my eyes looking in the same direction. June 17th. My first science assignment is to use my 5 senses to observe something creepy. I chose a first grader. Disgusting. June 18th. Worm and Spider came over today. We use a magnifying glass to take a really good look at ourselves. Root beer, no, I ate the dirt. Man, we are filthy. July 2nd. I'm making an all about me book for my mom. July 13th. I asked my mom why I can't have my own room like Worm. Because you have 327 brothers and sisters, that's why. I told her we could put half of them in the garage to save space. I'm having a timeout in the garage right now. July 14. Spider's grandfather is so smart. He taught me flies were a very important part of the food chain. Very cool. You're very important. July 15. Worm sat me down and explained the food chain. That is so not cool. July 16. The babysitter came back last night. She brought a frog. When Mom and Dad got home, we were all exactly where we were when they left. July 21. Why, I would make a good superhero. I have the most powerful flight muscles on the planet. I can land upside down. I can see in all directions at once. I see you, Spider. Spider said, superheroes bend steel with their bare hands. You eat horse manure with your feet. I never thought about it that way. July 22nd. Today I learned that flies beat their wings 200 times per second. No wonder I keep falling asleep in math. July 23rd. I visited my Aunt Rita today. She's been trapped in the wrong side of the screen for a week. My word, how you've grown, dear. August 1. I just know I would make an excellent superhero. I have 4,000 lenses in each eye. I can walk on walls. I can change directions in flight faster than the blink of a human eye. Spider said, Superheroes save the world from outer space villains. Your brain is the size of a sesame seed. I never thought about it that way. August 2nd. Today, I told Worm and Spider that I could never be a superhero like I wanted. Worm looked at me right in the eyes and said, "The world needs all kinds of heroes." Spider said, "I never thought about it that way." Neither did I. The end.